Have you ever started writing something on your Galaxy S25 Ultra but wanted to finish it on your other Samsung phone? Maybe your S25 Ultra is charging, or you want to move to your Galaxy A23 because it's lighter to hold. Today I will show you how to use continue apps on other devices using Samsung Note as the example. This feature lets you pick up exactly where you left off instantly. What you need to do before using this feature, you have to make sure that both devices are signed in to the same Samsung account, both are on the same Wi-Fi network, Bluetooth is turned on, and the feature is enabled on both devices. In my case, I'm using Galaxy S25 Ultra and Galaxy A23. Next, to turn it on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon, tap Connected Devices, and then enable Continue on other devices. Next, do the same step on your Galaxy A23. Once done, let's see how it works with Samsung Note as the example. To do so, open Samsung Note app, start writing anything, now move to your Galaxy A23, open the recent screen. Here you will see a button that says open under Samsung Note. Tap it and the note will open instantly. No exporting, no sending, just continue writing. Given to its function, this feature is useful when your S25 Ultra is charging but you still need to write. You take quick note on your phone but continue on another device later. You switch devices while studying or working, or you want a smoother workflow between Samsung devices. It's a small feature, but once you use it, you will love how seamless it feels. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.